Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain about the preparation of phenol formaldehyde resin. This resin is also called as bakelite. Basically, plastics are classified into two types, thermosetting and then thermoplastics. Thermoplastics can be remolded. Okay, so it can be melted and then molded again, but whereas thermosetting cannot be remolded. Once set, it is set, and after that we cannot remold it again. So this is a kind, that is phenol formaldehyde resin is a kind of thermosetting plastics. Now what are the steps involved in the preparation of the phenol formaldehyde resin? First step, hydroxymethylation of phenol. Phenol is hydroxymethylated. Okay, and that means monomethylol, dimethylol and then trimethylol phenol will be prepared by the first step. Then second step is the formation of novolac. Alright, then third step will be formation of resol. Then this novolac and resol combines at a high temperature and pressure so that bakelite is formed. So the final step will be the formation of bakelite. Now let us see about the step 1, hydroxymethylation of phenol. Okay, so phenol is taken, alright, and this is treated with formaldehyde HCHO to give monomethylol phenol or orthohydroxymethylphenol. Okay, so that means CH2OH is connected to the ortho position of the phenol. So this is named as orthohydroxymethylphenol. Okay. So when this orthohydroxymethylphenol is again treated with formaldehyde, you will get 2,4 dihydroxymethylphenol. Okay, so this is also called as dimethylol phenol. The first what we have prepared is monomethylol phenol. So which on again reaction with the formaldehyde will give you dimethylol phenol. Okay, so this is also known as 2,4 because CH2OH in the second position and in the fourth position. OH is in the first position. So 2,4 dihydroxymethylphenol. So then which on treatment with formaldehyde will give you 2,4,6 trihydroxymethylphenol. 2,4,6. We have to write a tri actually. Okay, so trihydroxymethylphenol. And trihydroxymethyl should be given in the bracket. So what have we done? We have done the hydroxymethylation of phenol. Phenol treated with formaldehyde to give you monomethylol phenol, or which is also called as orthohydroxymethylphenol. Then that again treatment with the formaldehyde gives dimethylol phenol, which again on treatment with the formaldehyde gives trimethylol phenol. Okay, so 2,4,6 trihydroxy. So this is the IUPAC name, trihydroxymethylphenol. So we have completed the first step. So now let us see the second step. Second step is the formation of novolac, which is a linear polymer. So this occurs or when the phenol is excess, okay, than the formaldehyde. So how to write the reaction? So you have to take monomethylol phenol first and then phenol. Then again write the monomethylol phenol. Okay, so the CH2OH, if it is in the right hand side, In between there should be phenol, and then in the next monomethyl phenol we have to write the CH2OH in the left hand side. So again one monomethyl phenol also can be written, so that also should be in the left hand side. Now what happens when phenol reacts with this monomethyl phenol, water is removed. Okay, so there will be a hydrogen atom at all the position except at the carbon that is attached to OH. There will be hydrogen, isn't it, in the phenol, and so that hydrogen combines with the OH that is present in the CH2OH group and removed as the water. So there will be hydrogen over here and then hydrogen over here. This hydrogen and OH is removed as water. Then again this side also there will be hydrogen, and that is also removed as a water. Here also we can show the removal of the water. Now what we have to do, the remaining part we have to combine, so that we get like this, a linear polymer which is called as Novolac. What is the linkage? Methylene linkage. CS2 is said to be methylene. So there is methylene linkage. This is said to be Novolac. This is formed when phenol is in excess. Okay, under acidic condition. Next let us see about the third step, which is formation of resolve. So what I have written here is the monomethyl phenol that is treated with again the monomethyl phenol. Okay, so formaldehyde is not written here. We have to remove water between the two monomethyl phenols, so that the linkage will be ether, that is CH2O CH2 will be the linkage. So this is how we can write the resolve structure. So the resolve can be prepared when the formaldehyde in excess. So when phenol is in excess and when we do the reaction in acidic medium, we get Novolac. When formaldehyde is in excess and then when we do the reaction in alkaline medium, we get resolve. Okay, so step 1, hydroxymethylation of the phenol, and then step 2 is the formation of the Novolac, and step 3 is the formation of the resolve. The final step, that is formation of bakelite, will be resolve and Novolac combined at high temperature and pressure to form the bakelite. So how we can do the bakelite structure? So phenol should be written. Okay, so in between the phenols there will be CH2 group. This will you can, so I have written here as if 4 phenols combining. It's a 3D structure. So more you can try more also. Okay, so 4 phenols are written, and in between phenol there will be a CH2 linkage. This is how you can write the bakelite structure. So in today's class I just taught you about how the phenol formaldehyde resin, that is bakelite, can be prepared. Thank you so much. Hope you understand.